Barclays is considering a major strategic move by potentially selling 80% of its merchant acquiring business to Brookfield Asset Management. This decision comes as the bank aims to streamline its operations and focus on core banking activities. The proposed deal could revitalize the struggling merchant acquiring unit by injecting fresh capital and modernizing its technology infrastructure. However, challenges remain, including the recent acquisition of Barclays' partner, Take Payments, by Global Payments. This development highlights the evolving landscape of the payments industry, with traditional banks facing increased competition from fintech companies and alternative payment providers. Thanks for watching.